Hey everyone, just going to go through some of these word problems for your instruction and practice for today's lesson. So I'm going to go through 3 of the questions on this paper that I have assigned to you. I'm going to go through 1, 2, and number 8, and then you, the person at home, you are responsible for the other 7. So remember that we're doing systems, and with systems, we're going to be writing 2 equations, okay? No inequalities or anything, 2 equations. So we're going to have 2 unknowns, and whatever variables we use in the first equation, we're going to use in the second equation, okay? So looking at number 1, it says the sum of 2 numbers is 76, and their difference is 54. Find each of the numbers. So I'm going to identify what is x and what is y. So in my mind, x is the first number that I don't know, and y is the second number that I do not know. Okay? And so if I use x and y, it says the sum of the 2 numbers is 76. This is equation 1, and their difference is 54. This is equation 2. So if you know kind of what sum and difference means, you might be able to come up with what these equations are, but the sum is x plus y is 76. And their difference, x minus y, difference means subtract, is 54, okay? And then you can practice substitution, elimination, or graphing, but I do want you to answer them. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and eliminate here. So if I eliminate, I'm going to add down because my y's cancel right now, and I get 2x is equal to 130, and when I divide by 2, I get x is 65. So if x is 65, that's my first number, right? 65. Then my next number is 12, okay? And I got that by doing 65 plus y equals 76, and then I subtracted 65. All right, but again, you can eliminate, you can substitute, you can graph, but I would like the answers here. So 65 and 12 are my answers. For number 2, the cost of 5 boxes of small paper clips and 2 boxes of large paper clips is $49.30, and then 7 boxes of small, 4 boxes of large is $79.10. Find the cost of each size paper clip. So x, I'm going to make the small, and y, I'm going to make the large paper clips. So when I go to set this up, this is kind of nice because they're kind of separated in sentences for me. So if I read through this, the first sentence walks me through the first equation. So I've got 5 boxes of small, which is x, and 2 boxes of large, which is y, and that equaled $49.30. When I go to do the second equation, it's in the second sentence here. So 7x plus 4y equals $79.10. This seems awful to do anything other than graphing, so I'm going to go ahead and graph that. So 5x, 2y, okay, so hopefully I can remember this. So let's see here. 5x plus 2y is equal to 49.30. And then the other one was 7x plus 4y is equal to 79.10, right? So when I do that, I get, did I mess up here? 7x, 5x, nope, okay. That seems odd that they don't come out even, but 5, 2, 49.30, and 7, 4, 79.10, okay. It looks like that we're getting 6.5 and 8.4, which is weird, but all right. Oh, wait, these are costs. Never mind. 650 and what was the other one? 8.4. Okay. Oops. And 8.40. So sorry that I confused myself on that. Lord. So that means that a small box of paper clips costs $6.50 and a large box costs $8.40. Sorry that if I confused you there. All right, so again, I used graphing on that one just because it seemed to be the most reasonable and straightforward. Skipping ahead to number 8, it says Ann and Beth together have $60. Ann has 9 more than twice Beth's account. how much money does each have? So I'm going to use Ann as X and Beth as Y. So if I go to write this, it says together they have $60. So that tells me that X plus Y is 60. And then from there, it says Ann has, so X equals 9 more than twice Beth. Remember, twice means 2 times. So 2Y plus 9. So this is Ann. Ann equals 9 more than twice Beth. Beth was Y. That's how I came up with that. This looks like a great candidate for substitution. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to plug it in for X and the above equation. So I'm going to have 2Y plus 9 plus Y equals 60, which is really 3Y plus 9 equals 60. And then when I subtract 9, I get 3Y equals 51. And when I do that, I get 17. So Beth, she has $17, right? I think that math is right. And then if I wanted to do, together they have 60, so X plus 17 equals 60. When I subtract 17, I get X equals 53. So $53 there. So there's a little quick review of substitution, elimination, and graphing. That was not planned, but also just a little bit of word problems. So when you go through these, remember in each one of these, I had, in every single one, I had 2 equations with the same 2 variables, and you'll notice that I really like X and Y. So there's my 2 equations, 2 variables, right? Along with that, you'll also notice, just something to keep in mind, I have identified X and Y in every single one before I began. So I went through and I identified to myself what X and Y were so that I could look back at that. I would highly encourage you to do the same. Your assignment as you continue on is to do the other questions. So 4 through 7 and then 9 and 10, and then submit them online. If you have any questions at all, reach out for a Zoom or email any questions.